planning our Miami trip. So, Marcus, Miami in July.
Yes, I think it is very hot.
Very hot and very humid. You'll sweat a lot.
Sweat? What is sweat?
Like water coming from your skin. Very normal there.
From my skin? Every day?
Every single day. Pack light clothes only.
Pack? This means put in bag.
Exactly. Put clothes in your suitcase. Light ones.
Okay, I have one big suitcase. Is enough?
One is fine. Don't overpack. You'll buy things there.
Buy things like souvenirs?
Souvenirs, yes. And maybe sunscreen. Very important.
Sunscreen for the sun?
For your skin. The Miami sun is very strong.
So many things to remember.
Write them down. Clothes, sunscreen, your passport.
Passport, yes, and money. Which money?
US dollars. Miami is in Florida, so US dollars.
Of course. Sorry, I forgot.
No worries. Do you have a hotel yet?
Not yet. I am looking. Near the beach?
South Beach is the most popular. Book early, though.
Book early. Yes, I will do this tonight.
Great. Miami is going to surprise you.
Surprise me? Good surprise or bad?
Mostly good. Mostly. Airport check-in. Daniel, ready for your flight?
I think yes, maybe.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, here. Is this okay?
Perfect. Now go to the check-in desk.
Check in. This is for my bag?
Yes, and they give you a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. What is that?
Your ticket to get on the plane.
I don't have one.
They print it here, don't worry.
Okay, so I give my bag?
Yes, they weigh it first. How heavy?
I don't know. Maybe too heavy?
Did you pack your whole house?
Maybe just half.
There's a 23-kilo limit. Remember that.
Kilo 23. Okay, I think fine.
Good. Window or aisle seat?
Aisle? What is aisle?
Next to the corridor. Easy to stand up.
Ah, yes. Aisle, please. I like walking.
On a 2-hour flight?
Is that strange?
A little, but totally fine.
So much English at airports.
You're doing well, honestly.
The security next. Is it difficult?
Just follow the signs. Remove your shoes.
My shoes? Why?
Airport rules. Belt, too. Everything off.
Everything okay. This is normal?
Very normal. Everyone does it.
So airports are a lot.
Hotel check-in. James, welcome to New York.
Thank you. I am very tired.
Let's check in first. Come on.
Check in? This is for my room?
Yes, go to the front desk.
Front desk. Okay, I see it.
Tell them your name and booking.
Booking? I have it. On my phone.
Perfect. Show them the confirmation number.
Confirmation number. Where is this?
In your email, the long number.
So many numbers. I hate numbers.
Everyone hates hotel numbers.
Okay, I found it. Now what?
Give them your passport, too.
Passport again? I gave it at airport.
Hotels always ask. It's normal.
Okay, fine. And my room is ready?
Maybe. Check-in time is usually 3 p.m.
3 p.m.? It is only 11 now.
You can leave your bags here, though.
Leave my bags here? Is safe?
Yes, they lock them in a room.
Okay, I trust you, Laura.
Good, you should.
Do I need a key or card?
A key card, like a plastic card.
Key card opens my door?
Yes, don't lose it.
I always lose things.
Then keep it in your passport.
Smart idea. And breakfast is included?
Ask them. Say, is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included? Like that?
Exactly like that. Perfect.
Hotels are complicated.
Only the first time.
You say that about everything.
Because it's always true. The taxi stand. Excuse me, taxi?
Do you need a ride?
Yes, please. I go to city center?
Sure. I can take you there.
How long it takes?
About 15 minutes. Not too long.
And how much it costs?
Around 8 pounds. Is that okay?
8 pounds. Okay, yes, that is fine.
Hop in. I'll open the door.
Sorry, hop in?
It means please get in the car.
Ah, okay, thank you.
Do you have the address with you?
Yes, I have. On my phone.
Perfect. Just show me when ready.
Sorry, can you drive slowly, please?
Of course. First time in London?
Yes, everything is very big here.
You'll love it. Great city.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card or cash. Both are fine.
Oh, good. I have no cash.
No problem at all. Card is easy.
Thank you. You are very kind.
That's what we're here for.
Buying a grocery. This is the grocery store, Robbie.
It is very big.
Don't worry, we start with vegetables.
Okay, I need tomatoes and onions.
Great, they're in the produce section.
Produce? What is produce?
Fresh fruits and vegetables. Over here.
Oh, I see them. How much?
Check the price tag on the shelf.
It says $1.99. Is that cheap?
Yes, that's a good price. Grab a bag.
A bag? From where?
Those plastic bags hanging right there.
Oh, sorry. I did not see.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Yes, milk. And maybe some bread?
Dairy is in the back. Bread is near.
Near the entrance?
No, near the checkout. Aisle 4.
Aisle. I don't know this word.
It means a row between the shelves.
Ah, like a corridor. Okay, I understand.
Exactly. You're getting it.
Sophie, how do I pay? Card or cash?
Both work here. Do you have your card?
Yes, but the machine, I don't know how.
I'll show you at the checkout counter.
Shopping in English is not easy.
It gets easier, promise. New Year magic. Emily, Happy New Year. Can you believe this?
So many people. So much noise.
Times Square on New Year's Eve. Incredible.
Incredible. This means very amazing?
Exactly. The best word for tonight.
And that big ball? What is?
The ball drop, a New York tradition.
Tradition. Something people do every year?
Every single year since 1907.
1907. That is very old tradition.
Very. Everyone counts down together. Watch.
Count down. Like 10, 9, 8?
Exactly. Then midnight. Then fireworks.
Fireworks. I love fireworks.
Everyone does. Get your phone ready.
I am so nervous. I hope it is safe.
It's safe. Everyone is so happy. Don't worry.
For photos or video?
Both. You'll want to remember this.
My family will not believe me.
Send them a video right now.
Right now? It is very loud, though.
That's the point, Kai. It's New Year.
In my country, New Year is quiet.
Quiet sounds nice, actually.
This is better. Much better.
10 seconds. Start counting with me.
Out loud? In English?
Out loud, in English, right now.
Okay. 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.
New Year resolution. So, Scott, any resolutions this year?
Resolution. This means a promise?
A promise to yourself. Yes, exactly.
I want to exercise more.
Classic resolution. Everyone says that.
And nobody does it?
Nobody does it, ever.
What is your resolution, Megan?
Spend less money, especially on coffee.
But we are in a coffee shop.
I know, already failing.
Day 1 and already failing.
Don't judge me, Scott.
So, resolutions are hard to keep?
Very hard. Most people quit by February.
February? That is so fast.
Make small goals, easier to keep.
Small goals, like walk 10 minutes daily.
Perfect example, simple and realistic.
Realistic. This means possible to do?
Exactly. Not run a marathon next week.
I cannot run to that door.
Same, honestly.
So we make easy resolutions together?
Deal. Drink 1 less coffee per day. First day at the gym. Ryan, you actually came. I'm impressed.
I almost did not come, honestly.
But you're here. That counts.
So many machines. Where do I start?
Start simple. Just the treadmill today.
Treadmill? The walking machine?
Walking or running. You choose the speed.
Speed. Slow for me. Very slow.
Low is perfectly fine. No judgment.
People are looking at me.
Nobody is looking. Everyone is too tired.
Okay, I am on the treadmill now.
Good. Hold the sides at first.
Hold the sides? Like this?
Exactly, until you feel comfortable.
Comfortable. I don't feel that yet.
Give it 5 minutes.
My legs are burning already.
That means it's working.
This is only 2 minutes.
Welcome to the gym, Ryan.
And those weights, do I use today?
Not today. One thing at a time.
Thank you. Weights look dangerous.
Only if you rush. Take it slow.
Slow. Yes, that is my style.
Perfect gym attitude, honestly.
Really?
Or are you just being kind?
Both, maybe.
I will take that answer.
The 5-second rule. Owen, don't eat that. It fell down.
But I picked it up so fast.
How long was it on the floor?
Maybe 3 seconds? 4 maximum?
The 5-second rule saves you then.
5-second rule. What is this?
Food on floor under 5 seconds. Still safe.
This is a real rule?
Not scientifically, but everyone believes it.
Scientifically, this means real proof?
Exactly. No real proof, just a habit.
So I can eat this or not?
Your choice, your stomach, your risk.
Your risk. It looks fine, though.
Famous last words before a stomach ache.
You are not helping, Sarah.
I'm just being honest.
In my country, we just wash it.
That is actually smarter, honestly.
You say that now?
Sorry, a little late maybe.
I already ate it.
Owen, that was on the floor.
5-second rule, Sarah. You said it.
I said it wasn't scientific.
Too late. Tastes fine, though.
I cannot help you anymore.
Relax. I feel perfectly fine.
Ask me again in 1 hour. Korean New Year. Leo, welcome to the Korean New Year Festival.
So colorful. So much food everywhere.
It's called Seol here. Big celebration.
Seol? This is the Korean word?
Yes, celebrated on the lunar calendar.
Lunar calendar, not January 1st?
Different date every year, based on the moon.
The moon decides the new year?
In many Asian cultures, yes, exactly.
Interesting. And all this food, what is?
That is taeokbuk, a special rice soup.
Rice soup for New Year?
Tradition says eating it adds 1 year.
1 year to my age?
Yes, you get older with every bowl.
Then I will skip the soup.
Too late, you already had some.
That was the soup? I thought stew.
Congratulations, you are now 1 year older.
Thank you very much, Diane.
Those are the traditional clothes, called hanbok.
Hanbok, so beautiful, so bright colors.
Families wear them during Seol. Very important.
Important, like Christmas clothes back home?
Very similar feeling. Family, food, tradition.
And those children, they are bowing?
Showing respect to elders, called sebe.
Respect to elders, we have this too.
Every culture does it differently, though.
Different outside, same feeling inside.
That is beautifully said, Leo.